Hi guys, how you doing? This is Matt. Different location for me today. I'm at my dining room table. Got me string things on the wall. Um, just finished my Deadpool build. I'd like to show you it. This is a plastic kit by Diamond Select Toys. It's 1/8 scale. It stands 11.5 inches to the top of the smoke. 9 3/4 to the top of Deadpool's head. The base is 8.5 inches wide by 7 inches deep. So you can put it on your shelf, windowsill, and like vinyl, it won't melt in the sunlight. Yeah, so how do we start this? Okay, so every piece is 2 parts, basically. Apart from the base. Base is 1 part. Okay, this is 2 parts. This rocket here, 2 parts, top and bottom. You have this rock with the rocket on top, which is 2 parts. There's a seam running down the middle, down there, and it's windy here like you wouldn't believe. The missile at the back, there's a seam, and it runs all the way down there, both sides. So you need to take good care when sanding that. There's a little bit flat there, I see. I didn't see that when I was spraying it. The smoke, 2 parts. There's a seam hidden very well along there. Sword on the back. Gun is 2 parts. Yeah, right, 2 parts. Concentrate. Yeah, 2 halves that. You got the arms, which is also 2 parts. Seam running down to the elbow. There is a seam in there on the shoulder. There's a seam down there on the shoulder, hidden. There's a seam on the head. It comes with 2 heads. Mask on or mask off. The mask off one, not favourite, so straight in the bin. There's a seam going across the top of his head. There's a seam, the torso, 2 parts, seam running upside there, across the shoulders, across the other shoulders, down the other side. Okay, the leg, there's a seam running down there. And there's a seam going across there, which is hard to hide. And then down the leg. Down the front of it, down the front of the leg, which is really silly. And my dog wants to come in. So yeah, that's it. You can pick these up on eBay, ranging between £30 and £50. Why they want to be advertising it for £50, I don't know. When all the sanding was, when it's all filled in and the sanding done, it was shot with some Citadel Chaos Black primer. No, you're not coming in. Yeah, not yet. And what do we use? We use Vallejo Blood Red, no, Ghoul Red. It is really windy here at the moment. My apologies to you. I will try and put what paints I used in the description, and batten down the hatches. But yeah, there it is. So I'm gonna pause this now, and I'll shut up, and I'll just do a silent bit. I'm gonna let my dogs in. So there you go. Let me know what you think, guys. Stop barking. Try to do a video. Okay, so this is my first video of 2018 and it's all gone completely wrong. So there we go. So there's Deadpool. Thanks a lot, guys. You know what to do, and I'll see you on the next build. Cheers, guys.